Hi, to switch between navigation buttons and gestures on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, as a first step, let me show you how buttons looks and works. So, here you need to take a look at this down upper corner and you'll see those three default buttons. This arrow is to go back, so if you opened any app, you can simply go back to the previous screen, previous page, and so on using this arrow. This button, middle button, is to go to the home page directly. So you press it and you'll go to the home screen. And that one with three lines is to open recents and for multitasking. We can tap it, check all of our running apps, and also we can simply use them in a split screen view like that. Now let me show you how to switch to gestures. So for that, we would need to go in the tablet settings. From here, we need to select tab which is named display, and then scroll on the right side like that so we could see this navigation bar settings. Let's just tap on it, and now you can see several options. You can leave buttons like in my case, and also you can go in more options and simply switch to another button position here like that. Now we got three lines on the right side and arrow on the left or reverse. Here we can select left button position and it will appear in this down left corner. And if you want to enable gesture navigation, you would need to simply switch to the swipe gestures. And now you'll see that the buttons disappeared and you'll see this line on the bottom of the display. So let me show you how to use it. To go to the home screen, you'll need to simply swipe up from this line like that. To open your recents, you'll need to swipe and hold it. And here is your recents. And to go back, you'll need to swipe right from the edges of your screen. And also you can swipe left from the right edge like that. So these gestures are to go back to the previous screen, previous task. And that is basically it. So to switch between buttons and gestures, you will need to open settings, go in display, select navigation bar, and here choose either buttons or gestures. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.